friend coming over this morning to give me a hand. We're going to piece all this car together today. I'm looking forward to it. It's been a long time in the making, that's for sure. So yeah, parts everywhere. Yeah. Just don't close the door. Can you lift him up? Just lift it.
Straight up?
Yeah, straight up.
Well, the top one's going to be holding it, isn't it?
I've just undone that.
Okay.
The whole thing needs to be lifted. Oi, oh, oh, oh. This is brand new shit, man. This is all like sick chrome stuff. Right, okay. I've nicked it. It's definitely not right. It's close. How does it look?
Well, not right. It looks pretty bloody.
Oh, does it?
Pretty good.
Yeah, off here it's
Just.
it's
it might
just
be marginally high.
you can see it looks.
But see, that could be a back door.
It looks like it needs to come across to the front and up a bit. Definitely the top does it too. Is the same. I'll just put these in. I'll go and grab the guard, mate. Ready for that?
Yep. So these have plastic in the guards.
Looks like yes. So I'll be able to put those in.
Yeah.
With the hoist.
I was just getting at the side indicator, that was all.
Yep.
Is that sitting in the right way just there?
Yep. We need to just go uphill just a smidge there. That's it. That's what it says there. Right, that's it there.
You see that they don't have a lot of adjustment. Those two were down in the front there.
Okay. What do you reckon, mate? Going together all right, isn't it?
Yeah, we're doing all right.
The other way. Now put on the hoist shortly to get it up at a decent level. We're going to put these front and back bumpers on. It's the beauty of having a hoist. Mate, she's looking sweet. It'd be great getting my bloody shed back. It's only been pulled apart for 12 months. It's looking good. Looking a bit more complete. How's a heart attack, mate? Doing alright?
Sorry?
How's a heart attack? Doing alright?
Yeah, yeah. Now they found his.
Found his rod.
They found me rod.
Found your rod, buddy.
Yep.
Whacking the old door handles on. Just about there, isn't it? Just a fiddly stuff. Most of the windows are up. Got the electrics are going now. So they're going together pretty good. Missing a few nuts and bolts. Gotta find something for this scoop. Missing three bolts. Must have fallen off it when it was getting sanded up. Must have vibrated off and got lost.
Would you like a nut?
I'm right. Gotta feed you. Into the nuts, mate. Yeah, what do you think of those wasabi ones?
They're lovely.
They go alright, don't they? If you're bad tooth, I think you'd take a tooth out with them. They're a bit crunchy. There we go, first bit of moulding on. Mirror next. Very fiddly, very fiddly. How far are we off putting this on the hoist, mate? I can't wait to put those gold wheels on it, check it out.
Not far, as soon as you get this door handle in.
Okay, we're nearly there. Righto, got a fair bit done yesterday. Gold wheels are. Only thing we had done is the side clips, rear bar, spoiler, tail lights. We'll whack the seats in today. Window rubbers, door rubbers. Yeah, coming along nice. Righto, decided to buy a new bonnet heat shield. They work out pretty cheap actually. I was going to refurbish my old one. It was just under $300 by the time you buy a bit of resin coat on it, stiffen it up, get it all back to one piece, then put the heat shield over it and mould that in. It was about $300. Not a bad price to rebuild it, but I ended up buying a brand spanker from Subaru with the clips for just under $200. I think all around the $200. Thinking, oh, what's the point? So anyway, that's my next job today. Putting that on. Yeah, getting closer. Rear bar next. These nice side trims have all been 2-packed in the booth, not out the booth, not the can. As a lot of guys do. Yeah. So she's all prepped, new clips, ready to slide in. Oh shit, got your arm right, 360.
Yeah.
There we go. Okay. Right, the centre of that, 200 is it? No.
No, it's 363.
Well, the ones I've seen are like all white, they look pretty out there. Oh. Right, I've got Dave here from Novus Glass. He's going to put these new trims in for me. Just put a new trim in for me. Went to Subaru and got all original parts, all original trims. Got rid of these guys. These are the tops and bottoms of the windscreen. Got rid of them. New trim there and all the new clips. Only took a day for them to come here. You alright? You're good with that? Been with them a while, mate?
Yep, 16 years.
She's serious, 16.
16.
They've been around 16 years.
Yeah, oh, longer than that, yeah.
Have they?
Yeah, yep.
Shit. Okay, yeah, righto.
Same company.
Same guys.
Same owners, yeah.
Yeah, because I remember getting them, I suppose it'd be bloody 20 years ago, they used to do the stone chips in the windscreens.
Yes, yep.
That's how they started out, wasn't it?
Yeah, probably one of the originals in the area for that type of work, yeah.
Yep, righto.
Yep.
There you go. Got the best in. Have we got the best in, Dave?
Yeah, absolutely. Got to say that, don't
And you used to have one of these beasts, didn't you?
I? Yeah, yeah,
You did something silly, didn't you?
yeah,
You sold it.
yeah.
Oh, good. You're getting the limited edition too. Ouch. I bet it hurts a bit working on this.
Does a little bit, brings back memories.
Look, I won't annoy you too much. Just find this stuff interesting.
Yeah, no worries.
It saves me doing. I was going to do all this shit before. It would have taken me hours.
Yeah.
So what is that stuff, mate? Is it like a mastic?
Polyurethane.
Polyurethane. Okay.
Yeah, Bostik brand.
A toxic, or what is it?
Bostik.
A Bostik. Okay.
Bostik, yep. Yeah, we swear by this stuff.
Yeah, a fair bit goes on.
Yeah, you put a nice big bead on there.
A bit of glass. Change the car. There's always, since I've had it, it's had a broken windscreen.
Oh, really? Won't know yourself now.
Oh, mate, it looks amazing. Just a bit of glass in it. Whew, sure done. Touching up on the tail light, buff there, here and there. Hope you enjoyed the build as much as I enjoyed filming the build and doing the build. You know, it was a labour of love. These things are a classic. More and more you're seeing every day getting wrecked. There's a lot less of them, so I've decided instead of wrecking it, I decided to do one up. And I've always wanted, like I said, I've always wanted one. You know, you put the work in, you get a good result. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. So,